Kazakhstan will increase the exports of its military equipment. A unique armored personnel carrier, Barış, and the multi-purpose armored wheeled vehicle, Arlan, that are manufactured in Astana, are raising interest among the military officials of the Middle East and the African continent. Previously, Kazakhstan agreed to supply 50 Arlan vehicles to Jordan. Currently, the country is negotiating with Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, and several other countries. Multi-purpose Arlan was originated in South Africa, but the Kazakh version of the vehicle was thoroughly and constructively redesigned to meet the needs of the domestic army and surpass the characteristics of the original model. Another armored vehicle, Barış, with a wheelbase of 8x8, has become a breakthrough at the Kazakh 2016 and Army 2016 fairs. Only a few countries are capable of manufacturing the vehicles of this class. The demand for the Kazakh military vehicle by 2017 is expected to hit record high. Our vehicles meet all the necessary requirements. The requirements by NATO, the Russian military industry, and the Kazakh armed forces. This means the vehicles meet the latest industry requirements. Only in a year, the enterprise supplied more than 100 modern armored vehicles to the armed forces of Kazakhstan.